Hey guys! In today's video we got a box summit, a bus model. Haven't done one of these in a while, have I guys? So, welcome back. It is 2026. And the last one I did was a couple years ago, because I've been that busy I haven't been able to do it. So, yeah, here we go guys. Come on you. I'm gonna maybe bring back UMSI 2 content as well. I'm not too sure yet, but I've still got the game and I probably will bring it back at some point. Here we go. I'm glad they put in a nice little box. Yeah, that was cool of them. So, let's try and open it. Probably need the scissors. I still can't believe I've been doing YouTube since high school. Jesus. I've been doing it a while. There we go. Didn't need the scissors in the end. You ready guys? Here it comes. So unravel it. And here it is. So, it does say Bourton on the water. I don't know if that's a custom sticker or not. And yes, I was aware it was a second-hand one, and for some reason it's got a hair on it. Not too sure why it has a hair on it, but it does. But yeah, this is a second-hand bus model. The main reason why I brought this one is because it did say Bourton on the water on it. And yeah, it is a pretty cool model, guys. I think it was originally, unless it came like this, I think it was probably a London model at some point. And they just put a Bourton on the water sticker on it. But yeah, I don't think I found another one like this. I think it would be probably custom. So, here is the front of the bus. Standard, typical London bus model from Matchbox, I believe. The side. Where you see the wheel. The back. The other side. Hang on, I've done that side. Here's the other side in case I haven't done that side. The roof. And the bottom. I'll just change the camera around. I need to invest in a spinny thing, don't I guys? That'd be cool. There we go. There's the roof of it. And there's the bottom of it. I'm going to get the thumbnail. Zoom it out because I know the time goes down at the bottom. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and peace out.